We are giving away this iPollo V1 Mini Classic Wi-Fi. This is going to a lucky winner in today's video. Guys, very simple. All right away, I'm going to tell you guys how to participate in this giveaway. So for those that watch this video today, you guys will have one day to comment down below with USA or Canada or EU with a comment of whether or not you like these iPollos for mining or not. And then you have to have hashtag Crypto Miner Bros in the comment as well, because Crypto Miner Bros has graciously sent us this $600 or $700 iPollo V1 Mini Classic to give away. So thank you, CryptoMinerBros.com, for sending this to me to send to you guys for my lucky viewers. For those who watch my videos every day, day in and day out, I really appreciate it. You guys are the ones who support me, and so I do my best on supporting you guys as well by doing giveaways and such. So this is a great little gift for you guys. So simply again, guys, just comment down below if you're USA, Canada, or EU, and a comment about if you like this little guy. This is 130 mega hash, 104 watts. You know what? We're gonna plug it in. Also, hashtag Crypto Miner Bros in your comment down below. Again, I will choose the winner in about a day after this video is uploaded, so good luck. I want to make sure this works, so let me just quickly plug it in here. All right, it's mining 125 watts right now and around 130 mega hash on mining Ethereum Classic. This does not mine Ethereum. I just want to make that clear in case anyone is wondering. This is only for ETC hash for Ethereum Classic, okay? And this has 3.6 gigabytes of VRAM, which I want to show you guys specifically up until when this will mine Ethereum Classic till, so that you guys can understand your, I guess, buying decision if you decide to buy one of these or not. So you guys have seen plenty of these other iPollo V1 minis on my channel. I've talked about the ETH V1 Mini, which does about 300 mega hash at about 280 watts or so. But this gold one has 6 gigabytes of VRAM, and then I have reviewed the iPollo V1 Mini Classic Plus, which does around, I think, 280 mega hash, but this is only for Ethereum Classic at 3.6 gigabytes of VRAM as well. Okay, so the black colored ones are advertised to mine Ethereum Classic only because the memory size of these black ones, the Plus and the regular Mini Classic, is 3.6 gigabytes of VRAM, versus the gold ones here for Ethereum are 6 gigabytes, which I have confirmed that these can mine Ethereum Classic as well. I did that in another video, so I just wanted to clarify that in the beginning here. Anyways, with that information out of the way, I want to let you guys know that I am doing a theoretical test on another one of these iPollo V1 Mini Classics, okay, 130 mega hash, and so I want to see when this can theoretically break even on $600, $700. So I want to go into the computer and I want to explain to you guys a bit further what I want to talk about here. So let's go. Thank you to nerdgears.com for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in GPUs, they actually have a few in stock. Oh, it looks like they're sold out on a couple here, but they still have some 3060 Ti's, looks like some 5700s, A2000s as well, and as well as the 240 volt 30 amp PDUs. These are pretty popular, as well as myself. I have a couple of these. You guys have probably seen them on the channel. Nerdgears.com, guys, link down below. All right, guys, I have another one of these iPollo V1 minis. Oh, I gotta log in. And I am mining to a brand new Ethereum Classic address here, and it is July 18th as of recording this video, 2022, and I am gonna see when I can theoretically break even, all right, or ROII, whatever term you guys want to use. I like the term ROII, which is return on initial investment. I learned that from another YouTuber named Crypto Fish. You guys should go subscribe to him. He's a pretty awesome guy. But right now, I wanted to see when I can theoretically break even on this iPollo V1 Mini Classic, which we are doing a giveaway, which I mentioned in the beginning. Okay, so this is not the one that I'm giving away. This is the one that I've had before from BREAKEVEN. But this one here, we are gonna keep track of this and see when we can break even, okay? So yeah, it's been mining now for the past 2 hours, and yeah, just to show you guys that it's, yeah, 132 mega hash, and you guys saw at the wall there about 125 watts. Okay, so Crypto Miner Bros does have this on their store here. Link down below if you guys want to buy any of their ASICs. A lot of low priced ASICs on here if you guys want to buy any. But looking at the iPollo V1 Mini, this one here, okay, 130 mega hash, and then it mines Ethereum Classic only. So just to see the price here, $700. All right, I want to see when I can break even on this. So there's a couple of things I want to quickly go through in terms of trying to see how much we can, you know, just do an estimate of when we can theoretically break even. And then as well as I want to quickly talk about other, you know, break even videos that I've done on other hardware in the past. So you guys know, maybe know, if you haven't joined with me maybe a couple years ago on my YouTube channel, my single Radeon 7, which I think I purchased for over $1,000 back in 2019, I was able to essentially get my money back on that one in about a year and a half. Okay, you guys should definitely go watch that video. And then I have many other ASIC mining videos of which I have broke even on a lot of my ASIC miners, theoretically, at the time that I received them. And thank you, that was from Crypto Miner Bros. Thank you to them. But example, I have a Bitmain Z15 that paid off itself within 4 months. Obviously, that was during the bull run and the rise up of Bitcoin. And, you know, mining profitability during this time was just amazing. Same thing with another ASIC miner, a IB-Link BMK1 was able to break even within 69 days. Okay, another ASIC I was able to break even on was an Innosilicon A10 Pro 7 GB. This is a Ethereum ASIC miner, did 750 mega hash, 1350 watts. This one was able to get my money back within about 107 days or 3.5 months. And then I have another test that's happening right now with a full 6x3060 Ti rig. You guys know this rig right here. I'm still doing that test. It's still ongoing, but I theoretically made this rig back in May of 2021, May 21st of 2021. And together, this whole rig theoretically costed about $11,000 at the peak of when 3060 Ti's were like, what, $16,000? Here, I can show right here, $1,600 for Asus Strix 3060 Ti. These were eBay numbers at the time. So I will have another update video to show you guys how much Ethereum this rig has mined thus far, and we can see when, if we have theoretically broke even yet. And spoiler, we haven't. Okay, so stay tuned for this video, maybe in the next couple of days. So let's go back to the iPollo V1 Mini here in terms of trying to break even on $700 on buying this. Okay, so biggest caveat to these iPollos is that the DAG size for them, for these iPollo V1 Minis, okay, is for the classic ones are 3.6 gigabytes available. Right now, you cannot mine Ethereum. Okay, like I said before, you cannot mine Ethereum on these, but you can mine Ethereum Classic. Okay, so let's go to Ethereum Classic here. And right now, Ethereum Classic DAG size, as of recording July 18th, 2022, is 3.023 gigabytes. So if we put 3.6 gigabytes here, then that moves it up to available to mine until around April of 2024. All right, so that, I would say that's a good, what, a year and a half, you know, 2 years at most that you can mine with this iPollo V1 Mini 130 mega hash ASIC miner. Let's do some theoretical math here real quick. So I put the numbers on how much hash rate we did here and what to mine, and the power consumption. Mine, I was able to do 125 watts, but it's, you know, advertised 104 plus or minus 10%, so whatever around there. Hit calculate, 10-cent kilowatt hour. Right now, this iPollo V1 Mini can mine about 0.09835 Ethereum Classic a day at the current network hash rate, current network difficulty of Ethereum Classic. So keep that in mind. That could change anytime, especially with Ethereum moving to proof of stake or the merge by September, potentially, right? So that's another thing, another scenario, risk, gamble that we're gonna talk about in a sec. But going back here, let's just put some numbers in here, okay? So let's do this, all right? This is 0.098 Ethereum Classic a day on this iPollo V1 Mini times 30 days, all right? This is theoretical a month, how much Ethereum Classic you can mine in a month at current network hash rate and difficulty, okay? So theoretically, 2.95 Ethereum Classic a month. So let's times that by, let's say, 12 months. That could equal 35 Ethereum Classic a month. But again, in like 2 to 3 months when Ethereum moves to Ethereum Merge, then there could be a massive influx of hash rate moving to Ethereum Classic. And so this amount of ETC that this iPollo will mine in a year will probably change. So it's really going to depend on, the electrical cost of most people, especially GPU miners, as these iPollo V1 minis are a lot more efficient than a GPU. When it comes to mining Ethereum Classic, the efficiency of the iPollo V1 Mini is really good compared to a GPU. So when it comes to the fact of people's electrical prices, then those guys will most likely have to turn off, and then those that have more efficient hardware will continue to mine Ethereum Classic. Just an example. But let's just go back here. Okay, so it was about 2.95 Ethereum Classic. Okay, so that's within a single month. And the price of Ethereum Classic right now is about 22 bucks. Okay, it did have a little pump just recently here. And of course, you guys know that at one point, Ethereum Classic had a massive price jump here of $134 at one point. But just to example, so 2.95 as of right now times 22 bucks. So that would give you about $64.90 per month if you were to sell every month. And then times that by, let's say, actually, we do $65, let's say. $65 divided by, or no, 700 bucks for the ASIC miner divided by 65. That would be about 10 months, okay? 10 months to, or 11 months to theoretically get your money back on this iPollo V1 Mini. As of right now, okay, as of right now, keep in mind that Ethereum is going to have their Ethereum merge event in the next 2 to 3 months in September coming up here potentially, unless something goes wrong with the testnet, okay? So that is something that to consider. So your yields of mining Ethereum Classic up until the next 2 to 3 months here could be okay, but then after that we don't know how much of the network hash rate of Ethereum is going to move over to Ethereum Classic, which could exponentially make it much harder to mine Ethereum Classic. So then your ROI or sorry, your break even on your $700 could be further out. But here's the kicker. Here is the kicker, okay? The amount of, let's say, Ethereum Classic that you mine, let's say in the next 3 months here, times 3 months, 8.85. Okay, so about, let's say 9 Ethereum Classic in the next 3 months here, if you were to get one right now. If you were to get one right now, okay, so 9 Ethereum Classic, let's just do 9 times the previous all-time high of Ethereum Classic, $134, okay? So let's just do 9 times $134. That would be theoretically about 1,200 bucks. If, for example, you mine the next 3 months, hodled that Ethereum Classic up until the next price jump, the price appreciation of Ethereum Classic, potentially the next Bitcoin cycle, maybe after the Bitcoin halving. You guys, we just don't know, right? That's a risk, that's a gamble that a lot of people who spec mine are willing to take, and has happened on many other coins before. Not financial advice. We're not sure if Ethereum Classic would ever do that, but it's just a theoretical play, a theoretical scenario that could happen, right? And this is something that I have definitely talked about with my other ASIC videos that I've explained about, breaking even on this hardware, price appreciations of coins, and, over time, as it goes over time, right, the hardware that you have as well, especially when the price of, the price of the coin, let's say Ethereum Classic goes up, then the hardware that you're using to mine will also go up in price as well. You guys have probably seen that in last year in the bull run in 2021, when the prices of ASIC miners were 3 times, 4 times the price. I would say something like this iPollo V1 Mini Classic, maybe in the next bull run, potentially, depending on the DAG size and when the next bull run happens. If it happens before 2024, then this thing could be worth maybe $3,000, $4,000. But then another thing to think about is the iPollo V1 Mini Ethereum miner, which has 6 gigabytes of VRAM. This one makes it a little bit more enticing because it has higher VRAM memory that you can mine Ethereum Classic for much longer than the iPollo V1 Mini Classics, okay, which only have 3.6 gigabytes. So that's another thing to consider here. The 6 gigabyte ETH Mini can do Ethereum Classic up until 2031. So for your buying decision here, understand the memory size of these iPollos is imperative because the DAG size of those coins. And yeah, just understand that if you believe that the prices of these coins in the long run will go up, if you understand that you could get your money back on this hardware, I think it's a great buy, but don't expect to get your money back within the next couple months here, okay? You have to understand that crypto mining is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I think a lot of people who got into mining in the past maybe past year, 2 years, think crypto mining is a get-rich-quick scheme, and no, it's not. It's definitely a long-term type of play, especially when it comes to crypto mining. And you have to understand the market cycles, market conditions, all that stuff. Your hardware can also appreciate in price, and so there's value in the hardware as well as the coins that you are yielding during the low times, especially during the previous bear markets up until a bull cycle, right? Hopefully people understand that. So it's not like you're gonna get rich today, selling every day, selling every month. Hey, if that's your prerogative, if that's what, you're running it as a business, which most people are doing, that is okay. But in my experience and in my financial situation, I'm able to keep paying for my electrical bill out of pocket. And then when the next cycle comes around, this is what I'm waiting for. So obviously when that time comes, I'll have to pay, when the coins that I mine initially through the bear market, or anytime you mine the coins, you have to pay the initial tax on it, right? Especially when you run as a business, the initial income that you get in terms of the coin. And then after that, when you sell it into fiat, then that is considered a capital gain. Not financial, not accounting advice. You guys go talk to your CPA, all that stuff. But just personally, just giving you guys my opinion, I think mining and hodling up until the next cycle long term is one of the best strategies that you could ever do. But don't take it from me, experience it yourself, try it on a single rig like we're gonna do in this video, okay? Or in the next year, I will keep you guys updated how much Ethereum Classic that this single iPollo V1 Mini Classic that I have here is going to be mining to for the next, I don't know, year, 2 years. I'm not quite sure when we could theoretically break even on 700 bucks, okay, on this little iPollo V1 Mini, okay, this guy right here. So guys, I think that video is long enough, but I think I got the gist of it. You guys let me know what you think. But guys, again, participate in the giveaway for this iPollo V1 Mini 130 mega hash. I just unboxed it, and you know what, let's go out here. If you guys want to win this, all right, if you guys want to win this iPollo V1 Mini, I confirmed it is working, it is mining, okay? We're going to give this away within the next day here. And so all you got to do, again, comment down below if you're in USA, Canada, or EU, and a comment whether or not you like these or not for mining, and also hashtag crypto miner bros. You got to make sure you have all 3 of those. Don't forget, hit the like button on this video as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I will choose the winner after about a day after this video is up, for the viewers who watch my videos right away. I really appreciate you guys. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.